Welcome, this is Roger and Olivia, and we're going to quickly demonstrate the SpinCar process, but first I want to show you what the customer sees after they go onto the dealership website. So you'll notice that after they click on the vehicle, it begins to spin. That draws the customer in, and then when they click on the vehicle, they can actually spin it around, and they can move that exterior any which way they want. You'll notice that they have hotspots, so they can click in, go straight, take a look at the wheel design on the vehicle, or whatever they desire right there. So it gives the customer an immediate sense of control. Now, also notice that it says see the inside. So they can go inside the vehicle, they can grab it, they can move up, they can see the moonroof, they can move around the vehicle. Also notice that you can go close in and come back out. So this really cuts down on the need to run 50, 60 photos and take a lot of time in your photo process. So quick and easy, very engaging for the customer. Also, additionally, keep your customer longer on your website, longer on your piece of merchandise, considering your vehicle more and selling the value of your vehicle, getting more gross and selling more cars. Now, without going any further, I'm going to switch to focusing with Olivia as we go ahead and actually do this process and show you how easy it is. Now, you'll notice that this is an iPhone 10 and it is set up in a B script and it's got a wide angle lens. So very simple setup. Additionally, we have a tripod device, which is a fisheye device, which we use for doing the interior. So no costly, expensive cameras to use and sophisticated equipment that's difficult to understand and difficult to operate. So without further ado, I'm going to cut Olivia loose here, and he's going to show you on doing the 360 of the exterior is where we start.
Start in one position.
And then you want to return to that position.
Yep.
So Olivia is keeping the camera steady using that B script. Between having practiced on a number of vehicles and also the software will help with bouncing and different stuff of that nature, so it'll compensate for that. So it really isn't a problem. After he does this, you'll see a quick preview that'll kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. So he did a really great job of keeping the vehicle very consistent. So now we're going to go to the capturing the close-ups. These are going to function as still photos, okay?
I won't do the full set. I'll just show you just a few examples of how quick and easy this process is.
Perfect. Thank you, Livin. He's just going to take a number of photos just for you to get an idea of flow, how quick and easy it is. The system itself is telling him which photos to take as he goes through, so this will help keep your photographer taking consistent photos of exactly what you want on every single vehicle. Additionally, you can do some customization as well, which we'll show you in just a second. But we're going to take, these are also high resolution, so you'll notice how clear and crisp they are, how easy.
You can add something too.
All right, we're going to switch to adding.
Push the add button. I'm going to add bows in this case.
So it's simple and easy to do it right off the app. You take a picture of the specialty item.
Just as easy as that.
You click it, you click done, and that specialty item is done, because bows won't be on everything, but it is on this particular vehicle.
Let's show them how to take the interior.
Perfect. Now that we've showed you how to do close-up photos, we're going to switch and go to the 360 of the interior. That is a Wi-Fi device, so it emits a Wi-Fi signal, and you can sync that up very easy with the iPhone 10 that we have hooked up on the B script. So you position that nice in the vehicle.
Connect to the Wi-Fi.
Need to connect to the Wi-Fi for that device.
There it is.
All right. And we're going to go to that, and we're going to go to capture the interior. Now we're going to disappear behind the screen so we're not in the shot.
While it takes this video, Roger, you can go ahead and show them on the computer, and when it's done, I'll show you a quick interior.
Perfect. So I'm going to switch back over here, and I'm going to show you on the desktop on the SpinCar Manager. This is the desktop application. Right here, you can see a preview of the vehicle, so that's what the customer is going to see. And here, you can edit hotspots. So very easy, very intuitive to use. So you can edit hotspots on the vehicle. So for example, you can take this C inside, maybe you want it on the front door, you can move it like that if you want. You can go on the interior of the vehicle, you can rearrange this, or if you see something is just a little bit off, you can adjust it, maybe like that passenger seat. I'm going to take that passenger seat and pull it back on the seat itself a little bit. So very easy to edit, okay? And you can also add, for example, you can add bows. Click on Add Hotspot, and notice that it adds the hotspot of the bows. I can put it over there by where that is. I can hit Save and exit out of that. So very simple on the editing part as well. Now, this is going to it'll pop up, and when it finishes, it'll give us a ability to preview the vehicle, which is really cool on the interior to make sure that we didn't catch any strays. Notice how as we move the camera around physically, it is actually moving inside the vehicle. All right, perfect. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching our video, and we hope that you enjoy SpinCar.